and so special thanks to this company for sending us this over door hook coat hanger. So the H992, just a over door hook coat hanger in black. So let's open it up, see what we get in here. Oh wow. So that's it for the box. Very simple. I like it. So that turns out, see the nice thing there, just turns out. Got some nice padding on the back here. So this is nicely padded to protect your door and just hooks right over. And then boom, you can hang on up to 6 jackets. Very nice. And then also these little clips were included. Of course, definitely not for climbing, but some nice clips to hang things on. Again, special thanks to this company for sending it to me. Let me throw this on my door and show you exactly what it would look like. All right, so the easiest thing ever to install, open up your door, take your coat rack hanger, slide over the top, like so, and then just close your door. And there we go. Now it's installed, and then you can hang your jackets on it like so. And so there it is with some jackets on it. Very nice and easy to hang your jackets on. Really like this, and I'll be using this a lot. So thanks again to this company for sending this to me. Thank you all for watching. We will see you in the next one. Deuces.